In the middle of Seattle's Phinney Park stands a Cold War air raid siren. It's bright yellow, looks like a steampunk horn section, and it's been here since 1954. Back then, Seattle was building these towers in case of a nuclear attack. This one sat right next to a school. At noon every Wednesday, the siren would blare out over the neighborhood. Kids at the John B. Allen School, now the Phinney Neighborhood Association, would be told exactly what to do.
Duck and cover.
The siren itself was no small thing. It was built by Chrysler on a Dodge truck chassis, powered by a 331 cubic inch Hemi V8, and you could hear it for miles. Some people say it was loud enough to carry for 25 or 30 miles. It was meant to warn people of a nuclear air raid. Instead, it became one of the last remaining Cold War sirens in the country. By the early 2000s, the tower was falling apart, and the community had a big decision to make. Were they going to try to restore it, or just tear it down? They decided to keep it. And today, the tower is a Seattle historical landmark. It's featured as the logo of the Ridgewood Bottle and Tap just across the street from the tower.
4, 3, 2, 1.
It also has a second life during the holidays, when it becomes the base for the Phinney Ridge GloCone, a giant LED light sculpture that turns the old siren into kind of a glowing winter beacon. So now a machine built out of fear of nuclear war ends up lighting up the neighborhood in the season of peace. That feels right somehow. A Cold War relic, a local landmark, and one of the strangest pieces of neighborhood architecture in Seattle. I'm Tex Turner. Got a lot of stories for you. Stay tuned.
He's duck and cover. Duck and cover. He did what we all must learn to do. You and you and you and you. Duck and cover.